If you want to store triangulation attributes such as grade, destination, or material classification, this video will show you how. In this video, you will learn how to import triangulation attributes from a CSV in Vulcan. The first step is to list your attribute values in a CSV file. Triangulation attributes provide a method to attach additional information to the triangulation. The CSV to be imported includes attributes such as hole ID, from and to depth, the vein code, and triangulation names. The triangulation names include the full path and also the triangulation extensions. If the CSV is not in your project folder, you can click Browse. Since you are importing values from a comma-separated value file, or CSV, your column delimiter is a comma. Define which rows contain the field names, or header, and the row where the attribute data begin in the CSV. The triangulation name column informs Vulcan which triangulation file will receive attributes. It is important that the triangulation name in the CSV file matches exactly the name of the triangulation file, including the file extension. You can choose to list only the triangulation name or a full path to the triangulation. Your full path must include the exact name of the triangulation with the file extension. If your triangulation files reside in many different folders, including the full path is recommended. The choice to provide only a file name versus the full path to the triangulation file affects the outcome of choices in other panel tabs. You will hear further explanation about this later in this video. You can create a specification file and scenario ID to store these parameters for future use. This is optional. Select the attributes to add to your triangulation. To quickly select all attributes, click on the double right-facing arrow. You can rename attributes if you like. This option requires that you have a triangulation name column in your CSV file. The outcome depends on the format of the triangulation name column. If your triangulation name column includes the full path to a triangulation, then the attributes will populate to the triangulations at the path location. If the triangulation name column only includes a triangulation file name, only triangulations included in your CSV file that are also in the root of your project folder will receive attributes. If the triangulations are in a .tri folder instead of the root of the project folder and a path is not specified in the CSV file, you can select a single .tri folder here. You can change the maximum number of attributes displayed in Vulcan preferences. Select Apply to selected triangulations if the triangulations are in a folder outside the project folder, and your CSV does not include a full path to the triangulation file. You can drag and drop the triangulations from any location into Vulcan to load them and check their attributes. You can right-click a triangulation to check attributes. You can also add attributes to a loaded triangulation in Vulcan. With this option, you can quickly add attributes to any loaded triangulation if the name of the triangulation is listed in the CSV. Thank you for watching. For more information about Vulcan, please visit maptek.com.